So you might be in a random situation where for some reason your Snapchat notifications are just not showing. So maybe you're within Snapchat or whatever's going on, and for some reason those notifications just aren't showing at all. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the very first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and swipe down from the top right corner. So just go right over here, swipe down from the top right corner. I know my phone's not showing, but you want to go there and then you want to basically go into your do not disturb mode or your focus mode options, which you have right there. And you just want to make sure do not disturb mode is not on. So make sure it's turned off or have Snapchat whitelisted. And that's going to be one of the easiest things you can do here that might end up fixing the problem for you. Just doing that in and of itself might actually end up fixing and addressing this problem. And that's kind of step one. Now, if you do that and that's not working, the next thing you might want to try doing is to go through and just make sure that you basically have Snapchat's notifications enabled in the first place. So make your way back over into your settings application like this, scroll down until you find notifications, which is right over here, tap on notifications, and you want to scroll down until you find that Snapchat toggle or Snapchat application, which is right here. Go and tap on it, and you want to make sure you allow notifications from Snapchat. This is also going to be another really easy thing you can do. Just disable enabling this notification is probably going to end up fixing a lot of these issues. So go through, make sure it's enabled. That'll probably fix it there for you too. If that's still not working, you might want to try going through and basically seeing if you can update the Snapchat app. So go inside of your app store like this, try seeing if you can find the Snapchat application, search for it, try updating that application, and that will also probably end up fixing the problem for you too. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.